Hey there! You just signed up for our free keto recipes today. You will receive an automatic email with all recipes straight to your email inbox in just a few minutes from now. But stop. Before you now start browsing through all these delicious recipes, we have some more additional keto gifts for you. In addition to your free keto recipes, we also want to give you our extensive Keto Kickstart package,
including your personal 30-day keto meal plan, a keto dessert cookbook, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, a complete keto food list, and so much more. This is the perfect care package for everybody who is serious about the keto diet and want to burn his body fat in a fast and healthy way. But you're probably wondering, what's the catch? Well, the thing is, you can only get access to this fully packed keto package today, right here and right now. Because today, my blog is celebrating its anniversary, and that's my way of saying thank you and giving back to my community. So one small word of warning, when you close this page, you won't have any other chance to get this beautiful keto package ever again. It's only available right here and right now while my blog is celebrating its anniversary. Anyone who misses this anniversary gift will have to pay the regular retail price of $79 if they want to have access on a later date. Now, let me give you a few more details, like what you'll receive with this Keto Kickstart packet, and how to download and access all of these beautiful materials. So the first thing you'll be receiving is a foolproof, science-based 30-day ketogenic meal plan. It's even one doctors can recommend. It's the same one I use myself to stay healthy and fit. With this plan as your guide, you will unlock the secret to losing at least 1 pound of body fat every 72 hours. You just follow the plan step by step. You'll enjoy eating the delicious, keto-friendly, satisfying foods and filling meals into your daily routine. When you have my 30-day keto success plan, you literally can't do anything wrong. You will reach ketosis faster and burn more fat than ever before. And as part of this special anniversary gift, I'm also going to give you my ketogenic food journal. It's packed with a grocery-ready food list so that you have zero keto confusions when it comes time to shop. You will never again spend ages in the grocery store reading tiny nutritional labels when you have this simple and clear keto food list. This is making the keto diet so simple that you really can't fail. Now, this food journal alone normally retails at $37 on my website, but today you will get it as part of my special anniversary gift. Use this food journal and my ironclad 30-day step-by-step meal plan as your personal shortcut to getting ketosis. Easily stay in ketosis and to ensure you reach your dream weight. It'll work for you whether you're 30, 40, 50. In fact, the plan is even more effective for men and women over 30 years and who are finding losing weight is harder to do because they have a slower metabolism. The next thing you're going to get with this anniversary package is solving a big dieting problem. Giving in to the cravings for sweets is the real cause for many special women, including me, fail to stick to the keto diet. That's why I absolutely had to create a mouth-watering dessert recipe cookbook for my out-of-control cravings for sweets. And I really wanted to make my anniversary special. And that's why I'm also going to give you my 77 quick and easy keto desserts recipe cookbook, containing full nutritional information, as well as easy-to-follow instructions to make the most sinfully delicious keto desserts. This recipe book is a dream for people who want to live a healthy lifestyle and satisfy their sweet tooth at the same time. It's beautifully designed and fully instructional. Oh, and by the way, that's probably the biggest keto dessert collection you can find online. Doesn't that sound great? Are you ready to get started making sinfully delicious desserts you can enjoy with absolutely no guilt? But there's still more. In addition to my 30-day keto meal plan, my ketogenic food journal and grocery-ready food list, my 77 keto desserts cookbook, you will also receive my 100 keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. Have you ever failed on a diet because of carb cravings? I doubt anyone hasn't experienced that before. That's why I'm also going to give you my comprehensive keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. You'll love my 100 easy and tasty alternatives for your favorite carb recipes and treats, such as bread, rice, flour, pasta, lasagna, pizza crust, and so much more. When you have this valuable resource, you won't ever crave regular carbs again. That's what you really want, not to crave bad carbs, right? That way you can easily stay on keto with no carb cravings. Oh, and we're still not at the end. I know that some of my community members also practice intermittent fasting, and that this way of fasting is very popular right now and helps many actors and celebrities reach their desired weight in record time. That's why I've put together literally everything you need to know about keto and intermittent fasting into a compact, no-fluff, step-by-step guide. Are you bothered by the slow speed of your weight loss? No problem. Combine your keto diet with my intermittent fasting techniques, and you'll fit into all of your clothes faster than you can think of. This guide is the perfect addition for anybody who really wants to speed up their weight loss results and detox their body. And while this anniversary package is already incredible and only contains my very best resources, I wanted to make it truly special and remarkable this year and over-deliver to make absolutely sure you are winning on the keto diet. That's why I've also decided to throw in a few more of my all-time favorite recipes and a few recipe guides for special occasions. So you'll also receive 25 of my best and yummiest keto chicken, turkey, and Thanksgiving recipes, my 5 favorite keto Christmas recipes, my 12 best keto breakfast recipes, keto pizza classics, keto bread recipes that taste better than store-bought bread, mouth-watering keto cake recipes, and last but not least, my favorite keto cookbook of all, 100 keto recipes to prepare in 20 minutes or less. Do you know the feeling when you come home from a long and exhausting day and your fridge is practically empty? I promise, with this 100 keto recipes, you will always find a nutritious, yummy meal that you can cook in 20 minutes or less, and with ingredients that you most likely already have in your pantry. This recipe book is my holy grail of keto recipes, and literally my secret weapon to combat ravenous hunger. Now let me recap everything real quick so that you can realize the full extent of this incredible keto package. You will receive a step-by-step proven science-based keto meal plan that supports you for a full 30 days and transforms your body into a fat-burning oven, a complete grocery-ready keto food list, which removes all confusions from keto, a mouth-watering keto dessert cookbook to combat all of your sweet cravings, 100 keto carb alternatives, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, 25 keto turkey and Thanksgiving recipes, 5 keto Christmas and holiday recipes, 12 powerful keto breakfast recipes, my keto pizza classics, keto bread recipes that will make you forget carb-loaded store-bought bread, mouth-watering keto cake recipes, and finally, my holy grail, 100 keto recipes that you can prepare in 20 minutes or less. I know that you'll have success if you have these handy keto-friendly kitchen helpers as your guide, and I wish I could offer them to everybody and to the general public, but this keto package is just too valuable to give away. That's why only special women like you, who care about taking care of their health to ensure they can be there when their families need them, and who are on my website on its anniversary, can take advantage of my special gift. Here's the special one-time offer that's only available right here, right now. Now, I would normally ask people to pay $79 for all these materials, but not today. My friend said $67 would be fair, but I really wanted to make this special. I considered $37, but then I decided to do something really crazy in honor of today's special anniversary. Right now, you can get everything for just $17. But I have to warn you, this outrageously low special price is only available until midnight. I've strategically made the price super low so that you can kickstart your new year and your new body in 2022 without spending a fortune on expensive diet programs. But once the clock hits midnight, it will go back to the regular price of $79. So click now on the big button below this video and claim this exclusive discount before the time runs out. There is no catch. There are 0 hidden fees, 0 additional costs, and no recurring payment plans. It's just a great deal for you. So click now on the button below this video to take advantage of this enormous keto package. As soon as you leave this page, this offer goes away. This is super limited and only for special people like you who are on my website on its anniversary. So click now on the button below this video to take advantage before this offer expires. Plus, if you act today, you're also backed up by my lose weight or it's free money back guarantee. Yeah, you heard that right. Lose weight or it's free. You can go through my whole meal plan, grocery list, and all bonuses for a full 60 days. And if you don't lose any weight or something bothers you, you'll get a complete no questions asked refund. Plus, you can keep everything as my gift to you. Yeah, you heard that right. You can take advantage today and go through everything for a full 60 days. And even if you decide after 59 days and 23 hours that you don't like it, you'll receive all your money back and you can keep all materials. You don't have to give any materials back to me. You can keep all resources and recipes. And I'm so convinced that you'll love my meal plan that I'm able to offer such a guarantee. Oh, and one more thing. You won't believe it. I couldn't do it myself in the beginning. But exactly, this meal plan and these recipes have also been featured on ABC Network. But that's not even all. This keto meal plan was also featured on CBS, NBC, Fox News, and even WND News. I mean, all these major publishers can't be wrong, right? As you know, all these major publishers double and triple check the quality of products before they feature them on their websites. So don't miss out on your chance to get access to my proven 30-day keto meal plan, my comprehensive keto food journal, and all other amazing bonus gifts. This one-time offer is only available right here, right now. As soon as you leave this page, the price for all this information will go back to $67. So click the button below this video and claim this incredible offer. Imagine how great it will feel when you step on the scale and see yourself 1 pound closer to your goal. My ketogenic meal plan is your personal blueprint for incredible weight loss. You don't have to count calories or keep track of proteins. I've done all the work for you. You just have to follow the steps. With this plan as your guide, you'll have simple and clear instructions, the same kind people pay hundreds of dollars for a nutritionist to create for them. Skip the website searches. Avoid the Facebook groups. Don't waste your time or energy trying to figure out how to do keto right, only to end up failing. Get everything you need to make keto work for you, and only for the price of a lunch. But you just have a few minutes left before this offer goes away. Now let me recap one last time what you'll receive for only one tiny little dollar today. You will get a step-by-step 30-day keto meal plan, a complete grocery-ready keto food list, my 77 mouth-watering keto desserts cookbook, 100 keto carb alternative, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, 25 keto turkey and Thanksgiving recipes, 5 keto Christmas and holiday recipes, 12 powerful keto breakfast recipes, my keto pizza classics, keto bread recipes, mouth-watering keto cake recipes, and finally, my holy grail, 100 keto recipes that you can prepare in 20 minutes or less. And you're backed up by my lose weight or it's free guarantee. And you can even keep all the materials when you decide that this is not for you. So click now on the button below this video to claim this offer before the time runs out. Good luck on your journey. I can't wait to see your